Hello everyone, this is Sir Manoj. Welcome to computer class. Today we will discuss how to convert primitive type to string type. Let's begin the class. Methods of wrapper class. In the previous class we had discussed converts from string to primitive types, that is string to integer type, string to long type, string to float type and string to double type. So while converting string to integer, we have used the method integer.parseInt. Similarly in long, long.parseLong. For float, float.parseFloat, and for double, double.parseDouble. I hope there is no doubt conversion from string to primitive type. Today we will discuss primitive type to string type. Conversion from primitive type to string. Four are there. First, integer type data to string type. Number 2, long type data to string type. Number 3, double type data to string type. And number 4, float type data to string type. So how to convert these primitive data type to string data type? Let's discuss one by one. So first, integer type data to string type. Here .toString method is used to convert all primitive type to string. Syntax: string variable equals to integer .toString within bracket int. So very simple, the answer is there in the question. It is asked integer type to string, so integer .toString. For example, int k equals to 105, s equals to 15. So here k and s both are integer type. String t. So we have to convert the integer value 105 to string. So what is the method? T equals to integer dot to string k. So here the integer number 105 gets converted to a string. Hence you cannot perform any mathematical operation with the variable t. Understand? So to convert integer to string, look at the example system.out.println s plus t. So here two variables, you have to see the data type of these two variables. S is integer and t is string. So anything if you will join, anything if you will add with string, it will concate. So the answer will be 15105. Understand? Now look at the second example, system.out.println s plus k. Here both s and k are integer type. So when you will add, you will get the output as 120. Clear? So here the value of t is 105 as a string. If you will add anything with string, you will get the output as a string. The second one is long type data to string type. Same here. The syntax: string variable equals to long dot to string within bracket long. Example: long k equals to 1005 and s equals to 1000. String t. So here we have to convert the data type long k to string. So t equals to long dot to string k. Here the long type number 105 gets converted to a string. Hence you can't perform any mathematical operation with the variable t. See, system.out.println s plus t. Here s is integer whereas t now string. So when you will do, you will get the output as 1000105. So it will concate. Similarly, look at the second example, system.out.println s plus k. Here s and k both are long type. So if you will add, you will get the answer as a long type. Next, we will discuss float type data to string type. Syntax: string variable equals to float dot to string float. For example, float k equals to 20.05f, s equals to 40.5f. String t. So here we have to convert the variable k to string. So how will you write? T equals to float dot to string k. So here the float type number 20.05 gets converted to a string. Hence you can't perform any mathematical operation with the variable t. Look at the example. System.out.println s plus t. So here s is float and t is string. So you will get the answer concatenation, that is 40.5 to 0.05. Look at the second example. System.out.println s plus k. So here both are float, so you will get the answer 60.55. Next one, double type to string type. Syntax: variable string variable equals to double dot to string double. For example, double k equals to 2.5 and s equals to 4.5, not f, sorry, it's 4.5. String t equals to double dot to string k. So here the double type number 2.5 gets converted to a string, hence you can't perform any mathematical operation with the variable t. See the example, system.out.println s plus t. Here s is double type and t is string. So the answer is 4.52.5 as a string. The second one, system.out.println s plus k, as both are double type. So here you have to add. You will get the answer 7.0. So today we discussed about all these four things, conversion from primitive to string. Okay.